Today we'll explore how to multiply fractions with visual models by another fraction. Not just by solving, but by actually seeing what it means using fraction models. Let's jump in. Quick review. What is fraction multiplication? When we multiply fractions, we're finding part of a part. For example, what is 1/2 of 3/4? We're taking half of 3/4. That's what fraction multiplication really means. Let's see what that looks like using models. Visualizing with rectangular models. Let's use a rectangle to show 3/4. We shade 3 out of 4 equal parts horizontally. Now, to find 1/2 of 3/4, we shade half of the already shaded part vertically. The overlap is where the magic happens. That tiny part where both shadings meet shows our answer. How many parts does the whole rectangle have? 8 equal parts. How many are double shaded? 3 parts. So 1/2 times 3/4 equals 3/8. Multiply fractions numerically. Okay, now let's multiply without a model. Example. What is 2/3 times 4/5? Step by step. Multiply numerators. 2 times 4 equals 8. Multiply denominators. 3 times 5 equals 15. Final answer, 8/15. So the rule is, multiply across the top, then across the bottom. Mixed challenge with simplifying. Example, what is 2/6 times 3/4? Step 1, multiply. Numerator, 2 times 3 equals 6. Denominator, 6 times 4 equals 24. Result, 6/24. Step 2, simplify. Divide both by 6. Final answer, 1/4. Simplifying makes your answer neat and easier to understand. Let's sum it up. Fraction multiplication means taking a part of a part. Use rectangular models to visualize the overlap. Multiply numerators and denominators. Always simplify your answers if you can. Remember, practice makes perfect. And that's a wrap on how to multiply fractions with visual models by another fraction. Good job. I hope you found this lesson helpful. Thanks for watching, and remember, math is everywhere.